Breaking. Nnamdi moved back to DSS custody as court adjourns till November 10th. Welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. Please listen to the end. So, at least he was brought out. I want to, at this point, guess with the pictures making waves on the internet. He was brought to the venue. All glory be to God, at least. We do not know what would have happened if he was kept in there. But the question now is, what is the crime? Why are they taking so long? I thought they have all set the charges, so this had to now take so long for this particular case to hold. I do not see why they are still holding him, because just like the NSAS protesters, everything about this is exercising his civil human rights. That's what he was doing before he was arrested. And may we not forget, of course, we will not forget the fact that in 2017, a dialogue between him and the federal government of Nigeria was going on. All of a sudden, we do not know what happened along the line. His house was invaded. So I do not understand. Well, we'll find out. Please listen to the news in detail. The IPOB leader was arraigned before a federal high court in Abuja on a 7-count charge on Thursday. He had pleaded not guilty to the charges bordering on treasonable felony and terrorism. Count 1 of the charge read, being the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, on diverse dates in 2014 and 2015 in London, United Kingdom, did broadcast on Radio Biafra, monitored in Enugu and other areas within the jurisdiction of this honorable court. Preparations made by you and others now at large for state in the southeast and south-south zone and other communities in Kogi and Benue State to secede from the Federal Republic of Nigeria with a view of constituting same into the Republic of Biafra, and you thereby committed an offence punishable under the Section 41C of the Criminal Code Act, CAPC 77, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004. Kano's legal team, led by Ifeanyi Ejiofor, had challenged his detention and sought that he should be moved from DSS custody to Kuje prison in Abuja. But Binta Nyako, the presiding judge, rejected the application. She then adjourned the matter till November 10th, and the IPOP leader was whisked out of the court in a convoy of white Hilux van. Honestly, this particular issue of keeping one in detention, the law itself states that one is not supposed to be in detention until that person is proven guilty. I do not understand why there is this back and forth, first of all. Then I do not understand why he's still being held. Why was he held in the first place? He was brought into Nigeria and is in DSS detention. I do not know. All these things are furthermore infringing on the said fundamental human rights. That is it. If somebody is going to be, okay, you are guilty of protesting or of agitating or for airing your opinion on some national issues, or you are guilty of helping the people to air the opinion, since individually they cannot air the opinion, they come together and you help them air the opinion, you're guilty of it. Do you not need to stay in detention? At the end of the day, if it is found out that you're not guilty, will there be payment of damages? All those things are things that they are not democratically, it is not right, it is wrong. You don't keep somebody in detention and, pending till when the court case. And why is it pending? What are the crime? This is not a case of how am I going to put it, in a case of murder where you need to gather evidences, or a case of criminal acts where you stole and those that need to testify against you need to be brought to court to do so. Exactly, this is a case of if I expressed my fundamental human rights and it was infringed upon. Not that it was infringed upon once, it was infringed upon continually, and even till now I'm in DSS detention. I do not understand DSS detention or the prison. I do not know why someone who has not been said he or she is guilty should be staying there. I do not understand why it is done like that. It is wrong in every in every way. It is wrong. And I keep asking myself and asking the citizens of Nigeria, why is it that the people's fundamental civil rights stated in the Constitution are just like other laws that exist only on ink and paper? It is wrong. The Constitution says that you're free to exercise a human right. You have the right to movement. You have the right to wear what you want to wear. You have the right to speak and other human rights that are in the Constitution. And yet, when people act, they act as if there are no rights at all. Like those rights there do not really work. Like the law was made for particularly some group of people. That is how it seems. It does not work on some. And it is not supposed to be. We practice a democratic system of government where there is supposed to be rule of law. And I keep asking, is it when will the democracy now be really seen and felt? When will it be? When will it be? Because with the way things are going, I am so scared for the future of the Nigerians to come, the future generation. And that is why these people are even fighting tooth and nail to make sure that they correct this issue before the next generation come. It is not a norm that one's fundamental human rights should be infringed upon. It is not a norm. It is not a norm. It should not be allowed to be a norm. People should be able to express their views. And of course, we live in a world where nature and nurture took a toll on each and every one of us. There are different ways they are going to see views. Just like you have your own differences about a particular decision or discussion or subject, I too have my own. We have gone through different experiences in life, and of course that will give us the view. Now, I'm supposed to be able to air my opinion as strange as the Constitution, as it is present in the Constitution, my fundamental human rights. So they should not come in and they are treated badly that, no, you are not supposed to be exercising your human rights, or it is wrong, or we are no longer in democracy. I don't really understand. It is so wrong for the next generation to come in and think that infringing on people's human rights is a norm. It is not and should never be. The people should be allowed to express themselves, just like it is very devilish of you and very evil that you will beat a child and you will still close the child's mouth. You do not want to allow the child to express his or her grief or pain. It is satanic. You have to allow somebody to say things as they are, especially when with the economic situation and the insecurity level in Nigeria. Everybody will have one or two things to say. And if you are saying they should not say it, then I do not understand. What are you doing about it? You don't want them to talk about it in a very negative way. Then you do something positive about it so that at the end of the day, you will only hear the positive. You hear the positive and not the negative. On this note, we have come to the end of news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.